The Innovation Hub is a revolutionary way to fund cutting-edge medical treatments and technologies. Your money doesn't disappear into a donation vortex. Instead, you can support the specific life-saving medical innovations that are important to you, like scalpel-free brain surgery, or minimally invasive heart procedures, or a new neonatal MRI dedicated to imaging the most precious patients. The future of healthcare is in all of our hands. Sunnybrook's treatments are pushing the boundaries of technology, with government funding available only after they are proven to work. People like you have helped pioneer medical innovations that prove themselves by saving lives, often becoming the standard in institutions around the world. And with your continued help, many more outcomes will be changed and futures healed, maybe even your own. Your generosity brings innovation to life, and life to the world around you.